Hello everyone, T-Zilla. Welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? I am back again on YouTube, and I have another Jurassic World figure to review. Today's review will be on the Jurassic World Survival Strike Attack Combat Extreme Dunkleosteus. And I can't wait to review this prehistoric fish. Real quick, I'm going to take a look at the box, the packaging that it comes in. Real quick, here is the box that it's in. Here we have a nice look at the figure. Pretty scary looking. Here we have the Tyrannosaurus Rex, Jurassic World Survival. Back of the box. Extra wide chomping action. There's a button behind its back. On all the advertisements. So yeah, that's the box. Now let's take it out. Now I have it out of the packaging. Real quick, I'm gonna put them on top of this coffee mug. Put them on top so you guys can see. There we go. Okay, much better. Now let's get a good look at the figure. Detail. Detail on the dunkleosteus is really, really nice. I like what they did with the big teeth. They are nicely detailed. And I love the entire body. I love what they did with the fins. Fins are nicely detailed. Here's a closer look on the back fins here. Same with the tail. There we go. So yeah, as you can see, detail looks really nice. You got all the scales, fish scale. And the underside is nicely detailed, as you can see. And as for paint job. Paint job is pretty good. It's not 100% accurate to how it was in the movie, but I really don't mind it. I really like it. I like how they painted its entire body, got all that black color, got some gray on the fins. Underside, you got that metallic gray. Underneath its jaw, you got the gray. You got that blue stripe on its face, and the eyes are painted. Got a little bit of pupil, and the teeth are painted, and it's really nice to see the mouth painted, fully painted. As you can see, just having you take a look. Nothing more to say. All I can say is detail looks really nice. And this thing does have a button on its back. There's a button on its back, so if you press it, it will chomp. Sometimes this button gets stuck, but just pull down the jaw and boom. So yeah, that's pretty cool. As far as articulation goes, the fins can rotate. Both of them. Same on the back fins. This one, for some reason, can move a little bit. This one doesn't really rotate that much. This one does a lot more. Then this side here, then this side here, sorry. And if you shake the figure, the tail can move. And as you saw, the jaw can move. Now, size comparison. For comparison, here's the Mosasaurus. And as you can see here, the Mosasaurus is pretty massive. And the dunkleosteus is really small. Next, Spinosaurus, Velociraptor, Dilophosaurus, Plesiosaurus, and I did a review on this figure last week. If you have not seen my review on this figure, I will link it in the description down below. Lab Lockdown Tyrannosaurus Rex, and last, the Quetzalcoatlus. That just about does it with this review. Detail looks pretty good on the figure. Paint job looks good. So the figure is going to get a 10 out of 10. I like it, and I'm really happy that Mattel made a prehistoric fish, something that's not dinosaur. This is pretty cool, and I would recommend it to you if you're looking for a dunkleosteus, if you're looking for this to add into your collection, and if you do find it, go ahead and get it. For them to make a dunkleosteus, this is pretty cool, and I love it. And I really hope that Mattel can make more aquatic sea creatures in the future. It'd be cool to see them make a Mattel Megalodon. So that was my review for today. Thank you all so much for watching my content. You all are awesome. I really do appreciate it. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like, subscribe button, and comment down below. And don't forget to leave a like. And I will see you all in the next video. See ya!